Welcome to Class 2. In our previous lesson, we explored the structure of the oil and gas industry. Today, we'll focus on how an oil and gas project develops from discovery to production. An oil and gas project is a structured process designed to move a discovery from the exploration stage to commercial production. Large projects often take many years and involve billions of dollars. Most oil and gas projects follow a similar sequence. They begin with exploration and eventually reach production. Let's examine each stage. Exploration is the search for oil and gas. Companies use geological data and seismic surveys to identify areas that may contain hydrocarbons. After a discovery, companies enter the appraisal stage. They collect additional information to determine the size of the reservoir. They determine whether production is economically viable. Once the discovery is confirmed, development begins. During this phase, the company decides how the field will be produced. The company also decides what infrastructure will be required. Engineering teams design the facilities, equipment, and systems needed for the project. Good engineering helps improve safety, efficiency, and performance. Projects require equipment, materials, and specialized services. Procurement is the process of purchasing everything needed to support the project. Construction is the phase in which facilities are built. This may include platforms, pipelines, processing facilities, and support infrastructure. After construction, equipment must be installed. Offshore installation can be particularly complex because of weather conditions and operational risks. Before production begins, systems are tested and verified. This stage is known as commissioning. The goal is to ensure that everything operates safely and correctly. Production is the stage where oil and gas are extracted and sold. This is when the project starts generating revenue. Every project faces risks. Delays, technical challenges, weather conditions, and rising costs can affect schedules and budgets. Different organizations participate throughout the project lifecycle. Each stakeholder has specific responsibilities, objectives, and contractual obligations. Understanding the project lifecycle is essential because contracts are linked to project activities. Delays, performance issues, and changes often lead to contractual discussions. Review these key terms: exploration, appraisal, development, engineering, procurement, construction, installation, commissioning, and production. Check your understanding. What happens during appraisal? Why is commissioning important, and what major activities occur after development? Excellent. You now understand the main stages of an oil and gas project. In our next lesson, we'll focus on the people and organizations involved in making these projects happen.